guys, Joanna here. I wanted to talk to you guys specifically about the Sumphonia Starter Pack deal that we have going on with our Black Friday specials this weekend. So if you see my previous video, you know that we have our Black Friday deals happening this Thanksgiving Day all the way through Monday. So that's 5 days to take advantage of these deals. We have 25% off store-wide as well as 3 very special deals, the Sumphonia Starter Pack being one of those. So, as you know, the Psalms, Hymns, and Spiritual Songs hymnal by Sumphonia Productions, which is part of Truth Publications, so us, we are able to do this fantastic deal on these. So, for $475, you guys get 12 of these hymnals, so just the regular Psalms, Hymns, and Spiritual Songs hymnal, 2 flex case hymnals, as well as the slide maker. Now, if you guys have seen the price of just the slide maker alone, you know that this is an awesome value. So all of this wrapped together should be $1,074. However, we are able to give it to you guys for $475. Now, this is a limited time, limited quantity deal. So definitely take advantage of it. If you are a small congregation, go ahead and start talking about this with your church leadership, or if you're even a family, maybe even if you do like family singings or something like that. I think this price is attainable for something similar. And we are so excited to have it. So again, 12 regular hymnals, 2 flex case hymnals, and the slide maker for $475. There are a few videos on our YouTube channel about the Psalms, Hymns, and Spiritual Songs hymnal and how fantastic it is. You know, about the song leader resources, about the phrase notation, the shape notes, and just how fantastic this hymnal is. It's a Smith sewn binding. The paper feels so nice, and like you can see, it's a thicker paper where you can't see through it to the songs on the other side. And we are just so excited for this deal. Anyway, so shoptruthbooks.com. We will have limited store hours, so if you need to call the store, we'll be here from 9 to 1 this Friday. So on Black Friday, we will be in the storefront from 9 to 1 to answer calls. And then we'll have a limited staff back here on Saturday from 10 to 2. Then we'll reopen our normal hours on Monday from 8 to 5. Don't worry, all of this is posted on our social media. So definitely check out all of the sales. We also have deals going on the That You May Go There Buy devotional for $11.97. Truth Magazine is 30% off. And of course, the Sumphonia Starter Pack. But anyway, hope you guys have a fantastic Thanksgiving weekend. Let us know if you have any questions. You can reach out via email, Facebook, by phone call during our store hours, or leave a message and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for your support and your business, and we hope that you guys have a great day.